Microsoft Immersive Reader, a tool that supports reading comprehension, is built into My Viewboard for Windows. Simply type, copy and paste, or drag and select text from the embed browser, and then drag it onto the canvas. Once your text is on the canvas, use the Select tool to move it or resize it. Once resized, you'll notice in the adorning menu a book with a speaker icon on it. Touch this to translate the text into the Immersive Reader. Immersive Reader will allow you to do text-to-speech using the play button.
Can be so important because so little
Notice that the
mainstream
text is
content
highlighted
made.
as it is read aloud. Touching the settings allows you to choose the style of voice as well as the voice speed. The top right allows you to change the text size as well as the font or themes. You can also display syllables or highlight specific parts of speech like nouns or adjectives. You can also translate the text, choosing individual words or the entire document. To return to My Viewboard, simply close Immersive Reader.